In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the SVG code from Figma. We'll start on the Figma website, but you can follow the exact same flow in the desktop app. Open Figma and sign in, so you land on the home screen. From here, click All Projects to see everything you have access to in your workspace. This view makes it easy to find the file that contains the icon, logo, or illustration you want to convert into SVG. Next, select a project and open the relevant design file. Once the file is open, navigate to the specific item you want to export. SVG works best with vector layers, shapes, and text, so aim to pick a layer, group, component, or frame that's vector-based. When that layer is selected on the canvas, look over to the right-hand sidebar. You'll see a panel with several sections. Find the one labeled Export. If you don't see Export, double-check that a layer is selected because the export options only appear when something is actively chosen. In the Export section, add an export setting if prompted and open the Format drop-down. Choose SVG as the format. SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics, which means your asset stays crisp at any size and can be styled or manipulated with code. For most use cases, the default SVG settings are perfect. If you work with developers, this format is ideal for icons, logos, and simple illustrations because it's lightweight and performs well on the web. With SVG selected, click the Export button in that same panel. Figma will generate an .svg file and download it to your computer. That file is not just an image, it's actual XML markup. If your goal is to access the SVG code, simply open the downloaded file in any text editor or code editor. You'll see the full markup ready to copy and paste into your HTML, React, or CSS as needed. This is especially handy when you want to inline the SVG for styling with fill or stroke, or when you need to optimize loading by avoiding additional image requests. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't get the result you expect, make sure the layer you're exporting is vector-based. Raster images will still export, but they won't produce clean SVG paths. Also, if you're exporting a group with many elements, consider selecting just the exact item you need to keep your SVG code concise. That's it. You went to Figma, opened your project, used the export panel, selected SVG, and exported the file that contains your SVG code.